Of the many conditions that can cause pain in the first MTP joint, the two common causes are hyperextension injury, commonly known as turf toe, or degeneration of the joint, often referred to as hallux rigidus. In cases of a painful joint, offloading the medial side of the foot during the gait cycle can significantly reduce pain and improve function. This offloading can be easily achieved using self-adhesive felt to produce a custom orthotic. Here I have some 5mm semi-compressed felt, which is adhesive on one side. Stand the patient barefoot on the felt and trace around the outside of the foot. Alternatively, you can trace around the insole of the shoe. Next, we're going to cut away the material from under the first MTP joint and big toe. We can do this by tracing around the big toe and making a mark just posterior to the first MTP joint. The material is then cut away to produce the first ray cutout. The orthotic can then be stuck to the top of the insole, in which case the shoelaces will need to be loosened to create more space for the foot, or the insole can be removed and simply replaced with the felt. This technique should lead to an immediate reduction in foot pain when walking. The cutaway material, known as the first ray cutout, allows more space below the MTP joint, allowing it to drop down during the late stance push-off phase. It also distributes the pressure away from the underside of the MTP joint onto the lateral side of the foot. And it can be a particularly helpful technique for problems around the big toe and the MTP joint.